Are you looking for a quick and easy way to create a schedule in Asana? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps you need to set up a schedule in Asana so you can stay organized and on top of your tasks. First things first, if you're new to Asana, it's a powerful tool that helps teams stay on track with projects and deadlines. You can get started with Asana completely free from the first link in the description below, and we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you to make your experience even better. Now, let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is create a project. This is where all of your tasks and deadlines will live. To do that, simply click the plus new project button from your dashboard. You can choose from a blank project or use a template, depending on what you need. Next thing, once your project is set up, you'll want to start adding tasks. These are the individual actions that need to be completed within your project. For each task, you can set deadlines, assign them to team members, and even add specific details. Just click plus add task and you're good to go. The third thing you'll want to do is create sections or columns to better organize your tasks. You can do this by clicking on Add Section and naming it based on the categories or phases of your project. This helps break everything down so you can see what's happening at each stage. For example, you can have sections like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Next thing, let's talk about setting your schedule with due dates. When you create or edit a task, you'll see an option to add a due date. Click on the calendar icon and choose the day the task should be completed by. This is where your schedule starts to come together, as you'll have clear deadlines for each task. You can even set recurring due dates if this task needs to happen regularly. The fifth thing, don't forget about using the calendar view. In Asana, there's a calendar view where you can see all of your tasks laid out by their due dates. To activate this, just click on the Calendar option at the top of your project. This will give you a visual overview of your entire schedule, making it easy to see what's coming up and what needs your attention. Now, the sixth thing is notifications. To make sure you never miss a deadline, you can set up notifications for yourself or your team. Asana will notify you when a task is due, when you've been assigned a new task, or when there are updates on your tasks. You can manage your notification settings by going into your profile and adjusting them to suit your preferences. Lastly, for those who need more advanced scheduling, Asana offers features like dependencies and timeline view. Dependencies let you link tasks that need to be completed in a specific order. With a timeline view, you can map out your schedule in a Gantt chart style layout, giving you even more control over your project's timeline. And that's it. You've now got everything you need to create a schedule in Asana and stay on track with your tasks. Remember, if you're ready to get started, you can try Asana for free by clicking the link in the description, and don't forget to check out our exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching.